Hey everyone, welcome here. Today you are going to learning a stunning artificial intelligence concept which is generative AI. So what is generative AI? If you are very much interested to learning this concept, if you are watching first time means please do help us to subscribe and support us. So let's go to initiate what it is. So what is generative AI? I thought you maybe hear this word many trending in software industry and technology in all the places where generative AI is going to be showing a great way of trending positions. So coming to the point, generative AI means a generating a new content with the help of artificial intelligence tools. So what these are? Why this generative AI is required for nowadays for who are learning software development and who are growing digital marketing and who are ensuring to start learning and changing switching the professional in IT industry. So generative AI is a helping all the way to learning. The capability of generating of a new content, how it is giving? Using a machine learning concepts, the huge code base, a huge data which is already available using open source forums, open source libraries, and all the way of information where it is possibly available around the globe. These artificial intelligence tools are bringing this information in front of us using these generative AI techniques in terms of not only the context of a content, also images, videos, and many other ways to helping to getting an information using like a simple prompting. So what are these promptings? So promptings is nothing but asking a query to this generative AI tools and it's a keep on generating a new information and giving to you with the artificial intelligence, which means more productive and informative predictive content which is available in your fingertips. So generative AI means generating a new content with the help of machine learning tools. Nowadays it's giving a great stunning opportunities for many of the fields. So software engineers you may use, digital marketing people for planning of sales and promoting these things, and content creators, vastly it is helping content creators. So why are you late? If you want to switch your career and making 10x speed than more than others, start learning such a generative AI techniques and apply for your boost career. Thank you.